Can you imagine earning 100,000 pesos every month just by copy-pasting links online? Well, the secret is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has become a popular choice for many individuals seeking to earn money online, offering a flexible and potentially high-paying way to generate income without the constraints of traditional employment. The appeal lies in the ability to earn passive income by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. This method eliminates the need for a physical store, product creation, and capital investments, making it an attractive option for those looking to work from home or supplement their existing income. In this video, we'll explore how you can earn 100,000 pesos monthly through affiliate marketing. We'll answer 3 questions. What platforms can you use? How much can you realistically earn? And what strategies work best? Whether you're looking to supplement your income or transition to a full-time online gig, we've put in hundreds of hours of research to ensure you have the tools to succeed. App number 1. Imagine you're a working professional who's always wanted to supplement your income but struggled to find the right opportunity. Maybe you've tried out various side hustles, but nothing seems to stick. Now, picture discovering a platform that not only aligns with your interests, but also provide a user-friendly interface to kickstart your affiliate marketing hustle. And this is where Involve Asia comes into play. Involve Asia offers an accessible platform for affiliate marketers to connect with a diverse range of brands and businesses. By promoting products or services through your unique affiliate links, you can earn commissions on successful referrals. The platform stands out for its vast array of brands, allowing you to choose products that resonate with your audience and personal interests. This flexibility is crucial because it means you're not confined to a niche that doesn't excite you. Instead, you can promote products you're genuinely passionate about. Now, let's break down how it works. When you sign up with Involve Asia, you gain access to a dashboard where you can browse various affiliate programs. Each program offers different commission rates and promotional materials. Once you select a program, you generate your affiliate links and share them through your preferred marketing channels, be it a blog, social media, or YouTube. One of the significant advantages of Involve Asia is its comprehensive tracking and reporting system. You can monitor your clicks, conversions, and commissions in real time. This transparency helps you understand which strategies are working and which ones need tweaking. For instance, if you notice that a particular type of content generates more clicks, you can create more of that content to maximize your earnings. However, success on Involve Asia isn't just about selecting products and sharing links. It's about strategic promotion. Tailoring your marketing strategies to fit your audience's preferences is crucial. Engaging content, persuasive calls to action, and consistent posting can significantly boost your referral rates. And let's talk earnings. Earning potential on Involve Asia can vary widely. Some marketers report earning modest amounts, while others make substantial income. For example, one marketer shared her experience of earning over 55,000 Philippine peso in October 2023, which translates to $1,000. The key is persistence and continuous optimization of your campaigns. A critical aspect to remember is the need to renew your affiliate links and campaigns regularly. Brands often update their promotions, and expired links won't earn you any commissions. Staying on top of these updates ensures you maximize your earning potential. Involve Asia presents a viable opportunity for anyone looking to venture into affiliate marketing. With its diverse brand options, user-friendly interface, and robust tracking system, it provides the tools you need to succeed. App number 2. Imagine this. You've been hustling hard online, building your presence, creating content, and engaging with your audience. But now, you're looking for ways to take it to the next level to turn those hours of dedication into cold hard cash. That's where EcoMobi Pasio comes in. EcoMobi Pasio is a platform that opens doors to affiliate marketing opportunities, offering you a chance to monetize your online presence. With their affiliate program, you can get access to a wide range of products ready to be promoted. And the best part? You earn commissions for every sale made through your affiliate links. Sounds like a dream, right? But hold your horses. Before you jump headfirst into EcoMobi Pasio, let's talk strategy. Sure, it offers you the tools and resources you need to optimize your campaigns, but there's more to it that meets the eye. You see, while the platform provides a straightforward way to start earning, you need to be aware of the competition and market saturation, especially in certain niches. Now, let's break down the earnings. Take a look at this inspiring scenario. In 2023, an affiliate marketer named Marie managed to withdraw a hefty 25,000 Philippine peso from EcoMobi Pasio. Not bad for simply promoting digital products, right? But here's the kicker. With EcoMobi Pasio, the earnings keep rolling in. Imagine how much you can earn in just a span of a year. You can surpass what you made with your 9-to-5 job. Plus, the commissions reflect almost immediately, giving you a steady stream of income to rely on. Just remember that success doesn't come overnight. It takes dedication, perseverance, and a solid strategy to make it big in the digital world of affiliate marketing. App number 3. Let's talk about the most popular e-commerce platform in the Philippines. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. Do you have what it takes to make money online? Stick around because today, I'm revealing the best opportunity that might just change your earning potential. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk, scrolling through your social media feed. You see influencers flashing their lavish lifestyles, traveling the world and making money effortlessly. You can't help but wonder, how do they do it? You've always had the passion for marketing, maybe even tried it a bit, and now you're itching to crack the code to online success. Well, my friend, the answer might be simpler than you think. Let's talk about Shopee. Yes, you heard me right. Shopee isn't just your go-to for snagging great deals. It's also a goldmine for aspiring affiliate marketers. Shopee's affiliate programs open doors for individuals like you to earn commissions by promoting products available on their platform. But hold your horses. There's more to it than just sharing links. First things first, Shopee's interface is as straightforward as it gets. No need for complex maneuvers or third-party tools. You can seamlessly share affiliate products directly from Shopee itself. And guess what? That means less hassle and more time to focus on what truly matters, making those sweet commissions. How about the earnings? From March to November last year, affiliate marketers on Shopee raked in a whopping 308.93 million pesos. Yes, you heard that right. But here's the thing. Success on Shopee's affiliate program isn't just about luck. It's about strategy and effort. You need to curate the right products and shout about them from the digital rooftops. Think about social media, blogs, email newsletters, you name it. The more eyeballs on your affiliate links, the fatter your wallet gets. But wait, before we dive headfirst into the affiliate marketing frenzy, there's something you need to know. Shopee isn't a deserted island. It's a bustling marketplace with fierce competition. To make a splash, you need to stand out from the crowd. That means getting creative with your marketing tactics, building genuine connections with your audience, and staying ahead of the curve. As you can see, Shopee's affiliate program is a game changer for anyone looking to make money online in the Philippines. But success won't fall into your lap. You've got to hustle for it. You just need to pick the right products and shout your heart out. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and potentially high-paying method to earn money online by promoting products or services through unique affiliate links. Everything is given by me, but your success requires dedication, strategy, and persistence. Remember, it's not just about copy-pasting links. It's about crafting engaging content, understanding your audience, and staying ahead of the competition. All of these are useless if you don't know how to share your affiliate links across social media platforms. But if you want to learn how to create engaging vlogs or blogs across YouTube, TikTok, IG, Pinterest, Google, and more, then you might want to check out some of our videos. Until next time, bye-bye!